Hi, welcome to Joni Goes Yo channel. In this video, I will help you know all about cryptocurrency. If you are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a like and click subscribe for more cryptocurrency videos. Thank you. Cryptocurrency is known to be the money of the future. It is a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. Can be sent directly between two parties with the use of private and public keys with minimal processing fees. It uses a technology called blockchain. It is also known as digital cash. First cryptocurrency ever created is Bitcoin. A person who uses cryptocurrency is called a miner. Cryptocurrency is created by code. The most important feature of a cryptocurrency is that it is not controlled by any central authority. Diversification is a key to investing in cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market is a volatile one, so be prepared for ups and downs. I hope you learned something from this video. These are my personal choices and ideas. If you have an idea that we could add on my list, then please don't hesitate to comment below or email us at jongasio1@gmail.com. Don't forget to give this video a like and click subscribe for more cryptocurrency videos. Thank you very much for watching. Bye and see you in my next video. Always remember, when there's a will, there is always a way.